Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix there are currently no power options available error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it. Select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this registry path used in my video. Just copy and paste over here. After pasting it, press enter. On left side Explorer, on right side you can able to see no close. You just need to double click on it. Change this value data to 0 and click on OK. After doing it, just close tab here. Now right click on the taskbar and select task manager. In here you need to scroll down to the bottom and right click on the Windows Explorer and select restart. After doing this, now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.